Who's ready to go camping?
I am, sweetie.
Me too, Mom. Me three, Mom.
Yeah, I guess I'll go. But, Look, I know my mom left me here so you could babysit me and is trusting that you'll watch my every move, but come on. Can't you just leave me here? Because I really don't want to go camping.
Nonsense, big boy! You're coming with us whether you like it or not!
Oh, cheer up, Sourpuss. We're gonna have a delicious meal.
Yeah, it's the most delicious. Most yummy.
Fine, I'll go. Yay! Done. Done.
Oh my god! We're here! Camping!
How did you do that?
Do? What?
Move like that, I'll forget it. Are we sure if this is the best place to camp? I mean, there's a construction site right over there. Yeah, the louder the noise, the better we sleep. What? Isn't it the opposite? Hey, Mom, let's sing some awesome camp songs. Yeah, camp songs, but don't you normally sing those at like the fire and it's daytime? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. What's going on here?
Does everyone love the campfire I made?
You mean the stick?
It's a campfire.
It's a stick. I don't see the campfire, honey. Where is it?
Turn around, honey.
Oh, there it is. It's a beautiful campfire. It's a stick that's not even on fire. So we're basically all huddled around a stick.
Singing time! Once upon a time there was a little snail
who drove a car to New York.
And he had a lot of fun. And he bought a lot of stuff.
I don't know the words.
So
he lived. Still don't know the words.
Happy life! Yeah! Now, do you guys want to sing the 50,000 more? You want to sing the other verses?
Other verses? How many verses are there?
50,000!
Nope.
Hey, come back! Hey, what you doing? What you doing, Plainhead? Did you want to sing around the campfire?
Oh my god, it's a stick, and I don't want to be here in the first place. Ugh, my tummy is hungry. Do we have any food?
Oh, we didn't pack any food.
What? You mean you came out of here with no food?
Nope.
No marshmallows?
Nope.
Not even supplies to catch fish? Well, that's a stupid question. There's no water around here anywhere.
Nope.
Then what are we supposed to do?
Don't worry, we have food.
Wait, you just said you don't have any food. If we don't have food, then oh my god!
Mommy, look at what we found.
Can we keep it, Mom? Can we? Yes, honey. It does seem like a good pet. No.
Well,
Please say no. Say no.
sure, we can keep it.
Oh god, I'm gonna die here.
Who's a good boy? You're a good boy.
You're so a good boy. Oh, sis, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Can I get some help crawling back out?
Look, I'm glad you brought me out here. Actually, no, that's a lie. But I think I'm gonna leave now.
What? Why do you want to leave?
Because this camping trip sucks so far. I'm sorry to be rude, but it sucks. It just sucks.
Oh, come on, don't be a sourpuss.
I can be a sourpuss all I want. I'm driving home.
No! You haven't eaten dinner yet.
Eaten dinner? We don't even have food. Whoever said we didn't have food? But she did. Oh, don't be silly. We have tons of food, right, sis? Sis?
I'm still trapped down here! Spidey! Go get help! Go, Spidey, go! I know you want to be the next Spider-Man, and I know everyone's gonna say you can't. But don't listen to them! You will be the next Spider-Man! You will!
And so ends the story of Spidey the Spider. Now back to the regular story. What are you doing? Let me go.
Don't leave.
Have dinner with us. It's going to be really delicious. No, 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 no! Well, Boo-Boo, looks like this place looks perfect. And when a campsite is perfect, you know a bunch of people will come with delicious picnic baskets. Yogi, you're a genius. Why, hello there!
Are you camping here?
Why, yes we are.
Good, because we love to have you for dinner.
Yeah, you should stay with us. Who knew grass was so tasty? Hey, wait, where's Sis?
Help! Someone please help! I've been stuck down here all night. I'm sure Spidey will save me soon. Yeah, he'll save me. Yeah, he'll save me.